Information Counter Stories. The title of this story is The Lost Star. In a quaint village, nested beneath the night sky, people marveled at the shimmering stars that adorned the heavens. One night, an extraordinary event occurred. A star fell from the sky and landed near the village. The villagers were both amazed and puzzled, unsure of what to do with the fallen star. As days went by, the star's light dimmed and it seemed to lose its sparkle. The villagers watched it with curiosity but kept their distance, for they didn't know how to help. Amid the confusion, a young girl named Alara felt a strong urge to assist the star. She believed that every being, no matter how distant or different, deserved care and compassion. Alara approached the star with a heart full of kindness. She noticed that the star had a small crack, which seemed to be the reason for its feeding light. Using delicate hands and unwavering determination, she worked day and night to, to mend the star's crack with the finest threads she could find. As, as the star's light gradually began to grow brighter, the villagers took notice. They gathered around Alara, their hearts touched by her selfless act. The village elders shared stories of their ancestors who had spoken of a time when people and stars were interconnected. The mended stars radiance lit up the village, illuminating both the streets and the hearts of its inhabitants. As gratitude filled the air, the villagers learned a profound lesson. They realized that in caring for the star, they were caring for the very essence of the world, the beauty that resides in all living things, no matter how far or fallen in the end. The star's light became a beacon of unity, kindness, and the understanding that each act of compassion can mend not only the broken but also the hearts of those who extended it. Alera actions reminded them that compassion and connections bring the universe closer together, igniting a brighter, more meaningful existence for all. And so the lost star found its way home, not only to the heaven above, but also to the hearts of the villagers who had learned that compassion and selflessness are the drumstick forms of good and light. The end. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.